Everyone, my name is Lim Xing Tian. I am 9 years old. I am from Johan Cheras. Today, I am at Zoo Negara. Yay! Zoo Negara is home to 5,000 animals. It is located at Ulu Klang, Selangor. It is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Today, I will be speaking about 3 animals. The first animal will be the camels. Camels love to eat plants. They can live up to 50 years. They are normally found in Africa. Camels can drink up to 100 liters of water in 10 minutes. Amazing, right? Its hump is actually filled with fat, not water. Baby camels are born without a hump. The second animal will be the white rhinos. White rhinos love to eat grass. They can live up to 50 years. They are normally found in Africa. White rhinos are hunted because of their horns. Please stop. Don't do that. Save the rhinos. The third animal will be the giant pandas. Giant pandas love to eat bamboo. They are best species to China. Giant pandas are good swimmers and good climbers. They can climb as high as 13,000 feet. Amazing, right? Besides these 3 animals, there are many other animals too. Come visit Zoo Negara. Thank you, Zoo Negara and Johan Speaking Academy for this chance. See you soon.